This is a quick review of adding and subtracting fractions. It's fairly quick because this is a review. You've already learned it in class with your previous math teachers. If I have 7/9 plus 5/9, 9 remains the same as my denominator. 7 and 5 is 12. Hopefully you remember we should not have an improper fraction, which means I need to make this into a mixed number. And I come up with 1 and 3/9. We'll do another problem similar to that, only with mixed numbers. If I have 3 and 7/9, I'll just stick with 9 as my denominator for the example, plus 2 and 4/9, my denominator stays the same. 7 and 4 is 11, 3 and 2 is 5. I'm not yet finished. I'll bring down this 5 just so that I remember I need to add it. Remember, I cannot have an improper fraction, so I'm going to convert this into a mixed number. And then my final step is I need to add those two whole numbers and remember the fraction. And I come up with 6 and 2/9. If I have 10/11 less 3/11, my denominator stays the same. 10 from 3 is 7, and I am finished. When I need to borrow, I need to take a little more time and care. So if I have 7 and 1/8 less 3 and 6/8, I cannot take 6 from 1, so I'm going to work horizontally. I'll remember that my denominator always stays the same. I need to borrow 1 whole unit, so that 7 becomes a 6. My 1 whole unit is 8/8. Remember, because the denominator is 8, I know that a whole unit is 8. I'm going to add that 8 and 1 and come up with 9. My whole number is 6, so I have 6 and 9/8. And then I just bring over 3 and 6/8 there, and then I subtract. My denominator is 8, 6 from 9 is 3, and 3 from 6 is 3. I'll do that one more time, just to refresh your memories. You should know you have completed this math with your previous math teachers, and you are very capable of doing it. 5 and 2/5 less 1 and 4/5. What do I need to do? I need to borrow. That 5 becomes a 4. I borrowed 1 whole unit, which is 5 over 5, which makes that 2, a 7 over 5. Remember to bring over the whole number. And then I have 1 and 4/5. My denominator is 5. 4 from 7 is 3, and 1 from 4 is 3. So my difference is 3 and 3/5. Take your time, show your work, and you should be fine. Good luck.